Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, students, welcome back in my science class. Today we are going to learn about how can we make solid dissolve faster. Look the videos out. Okay, students, for science today we are going to learn about how can we make solid dissolve faster. Bagaimana kita bisa membuat benda padat dissolve faster. Larut faster. What is the meaning of faster? Faster itu adalah lebih cepat. 3.6 page 52. Okay, remember that in the last video we already learned about solution. Di video terakhir kita belajar tentang solution, larutan that consists of solute and solvent, yang terdiri dari solute, zat yang larut, and solvent. Ya, here solvent is water. Di sini pelarutnya adalah water or other liquid atau zat cair lainnya, and then the solid as a solute. Ya, benda padatnya menjadi solute atau zat yang dilarutkan. Okay. Today we will start to learn about how can we make solid dissolve faster. Bagaimana kita bisa membuat benda padat itu larut lebih cepat. Okay, look at the dialogue between a boy with his grandmother or his mom. Okay, did you forget to put sugar in my coffee? It's not sweet. Apakah kamu lupa meletakkan gula di kopiku? Itu tidak manis. I put in 2 teaspoons like I always do. Aku meletakkan 2 sendok teh seperti aku biasanya lakukan. Okay, look the explanation. Why do you think the coffee tasted bitter? And then how could the boy make the coffee taste sweeter without adding any more sugar? Why do you think the coffee tasted bitter? Kenapa kamu berpikir bahwa kopinya itu tasted, rasanya bitter? What is the meaning of bitter? Bitter in Indonesia is pahit. And then how could the boy make coffee? Bagaimana bisa anak laki-laki itu make the coffee, membuat rasa kopinya itu sweeter, lebih manis, without adding any more sugar, tanpa menambahkan gula lagi. Look at this. The coffee and sugar form a solution. Kopi dan gula membentuk a solution, larutan. The sugar will dissolve faster. Gulanya will dissolve faster, akan larut lebih cepat if the boy stir the solution. Apabila anak laki-laki itu stir, mengaduk. Okay, you can write the meaning of stir on the word di atas katanya. Kalian bisa tuliskan artinya biar menambah vocab kalian. Stir the solution, mengaduk larutannya. Okay, students, stirring atau mengaduk is one way to make solute dissolve faster. Mengaduk is one way, adalah salah satu cara untuk membuat zat padat itu atau zat yang dilarutkan dissolve faster, larut lebih cepat. In my last video, I already practice make a solution by stirring and the solid dissolve faster, right? Ya, ketika video yang kemarin Ustazah sudah membuat larutan itu, Ustazah sudah menjelaskan juga bahwa stirring, mengaduk itu juga mempercepat pelarutan. Stirring causes the particle of the solid spread out into space between the particle of the solvent more quickly. Stirring, mengaduk atau pengadukan, cause the particle, menyebabkan particle of the solute, partikel-partikel dari zat yang dilarutkan, spread out, menyebar, into the space, menyebar ke ruangan di solvent, between, di antara particle of the solvent, ruangan di antara partikel dari pelarutnya, more quickly, lebih cepat. We say that stirring increase the rate at which solutes dissolve. We say that, kita katakan bahwa stirring, pengadukan, increase, meningkatkan atau menambah rate, rata-rata, at which solute dissolve, meningkatkan rata-rata atau kecepatan dari solute ini untuk larut. Okay, look at this. This is sugar or solute. Yeah, and then solvent is water, And then when dissolving, so look at the particle spread out. Partikelnya spread out, menyebar. Okay. And then when a solid dissolve, ketika zat yang larut itu adalah dissolve, larut, the particles spread out through the solvent. This happen more quickly if you stir. Ini akan terjadi lebih cepat kalau kalian mengaduknya. Okay, there are other factors to make solid dissolve faster. Masih ada banyak lagi faktor that make solid dissolve faster, yang membuat benda padat itu larut lebih cepat. Have you ever tried to make coffee with water from the fridge? Apakah kalian pernah? Have you tried? Apakah kalian pernah make coffee with water? Membuat kopi dengan air from the fridge, dari kulkas. Why do we use hot water? Terus, lalu kenapa kita menggunakan air panas? Okay, look at this activity 3.6. Does sugars dissolve more quickly in hot or cold water? Apakah gula larut lebih cepat, dissolve larut more quickly, lebih cepat, in hot or cold water, di air panas atau cold water, air dingin? Okay, does sugar dissolve more quickly in hot or cold water? Does sugar dissolve more quickly in hot or cold water? Make a prediction. Buat sebuah prediksi. Okay, you just make a trial, membuat percobaan atau make a prediction atau membuat pengamatan seperti yang sudah lakukan kemarin. Okay, you can prepare the tools. So when you make a trial, you will need sugar, glass jars, cold water, hot water, teaspoon, and then mixing cylinder stopwatch. Maybe you don't need it, or you can use stopwatch by your phone. Okay. For the first, stir a teaspoon of sugar into 100 ml of cold water in the glass jar, and then stir a teaspoon of sugar into 100 of hot water in a glass jar. Jadi aduk sesendok teh gula ke dalam air yang dingin, and then dengan jumlah yang sama, with the same amount, you can put 100 in the hot water, and then you can stir it. Ya, setiap mengaduk kalian bisa menggunakan stopwatch yang mana yang lebih cepat. Actually, without stopwatch, we can observe it and then we can make a decision between this trial. And then time how long it takes for the sugar to dissolve in the both jar. But just do the activity, take how long it take for the sugar to dissolve in the both jars. Record your result in a table, atau rekam atau tulis, catat hasil kalian di dalam sebuah tabel. But for your assignment today, just these questions, answer these questions. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, for the question 1, I will explain 1. Okay, question 1, A, in which jar did sugar dissolve quickest? Ya, di gelas yang mana gula itu larut lebih cepat? Such is a reason for this, ya, atau berikan saran atau alasan untuk jawaban kamu. And then, was your prediction correct? Apakah prediksimu itu benar? You can just answer yes or no. Yes, it was, or no, it was not. Okay. And then questions 2. How did you make sure that your test was fair? Bagaimana kamu bisa memastikan bahwa tesmu ini adalah benar-benar fair? Fair itu apa ya? Adil atau memang bisa dibuktikan gitu ya. Yes, because you use stopwatch, ya kan, dibuktikan dengan mengukur by stopwatch. And then 3, write down what you conclude about the effect of the temperature dissolved solid. Tulis kesimpulan kalian about the effect, tentang pengaruh of the temperature, pengaruh suhu on dissolving a solid, dari pada pelarutan solid tersebut. Okay, you can write, okay, in the hot water or okay, you can conclude the effect of the temperature. Kalian bisa memberi kesimpulan dari suhu yang mana solut itu dapat larut, mana yang lebih cepat. For example, I will give you example in Indonesia ya. Kalian bisa pilih pelarutan di air dingin lebih cepat daripada di air panas, atau sebaliknya ya, solut dapat larut lebih cepat di air panas daripada di air dingin. Nah, kalian bisa translate to English by yourself ya. Ini untuk yang penting, it's important that you can take the point, kalian bisa paham maksudnya. And then don't forget to send your answer in classroom. Okay, thank you very much, and hopefully it can improve your science ability. And then don't forget, answer this question. Thank you.